Two tools that you are probably familiar with are thinking maps and knowledge frames. Both of these are great tools for integrating thinking like a disciplinarian. The first one we will focus on is the knowledge frame. When you're first getting started with Think Like a Disciplinarian, you will want to focus on a single discipline. The first step is to choose the standard you will be teaching. The example we will be using is a third grade life science standard. Students know when the environment changes, some plants and animals survive and reproduce, others die or move to new locations. The next step is to choose your discipline. There are several different disciplines that would apply to this standard. Because we want our students to understand that there are many different types of scientists, you want to choose one that is more specific than the generic scientist. For that life science standard, you could choose an ecologist, environmentalist, conservationist, botanist, biologist, or zoologist. The third step is to create 4 prompts or questions to go in each of the quadrants on the knowledge frame. To do this, you will take the science standard and add 1 or more thinking tools to create a question or prompt. For example, using the ethics thinking tool, you could ask the question, what ethical issues might an ecologist investigate when studying changes in the environment? Question 2 could be, what patterns of change might an ecologist examine? Question 3, what important words are key to understanding the environment? And question 4, what details would an environmentalist examine when studying environmental changes and animal populations? Your frame could be one that you give to your students, or better yet, they could create their own. Before you begin the activity, you could prepare the learner by familiarizing them with the work of an environmentalist. As a reminder, there are more job descriptions of various disciplines in the Guru enrichment folder. Introducing the discipline to your students is another preparing the learner moment in the lesson. Here you want to engage your students in the activity to follow. One possible way to do this is to show them pictures of the disciplinarian working in the field. Have students discuss the details of the pictures. For example, where are they? What are they doing? And do you see any special tools or equipment they are using to do their job? After reading a piece of text, your students are ready to start discussing the prompts with their group. This is a great opportunity for them to practice using their collaborative academic conversation skills. A good resource to use to promote sharing and building on ideas are the conversation placemats. These can be found in the Guru enrichment folder.